Hi again, friends. It's Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here, and I wanted to do a quick little flip through of a new kit that I have coming out, and it is called Friendship, and it was really inspired by a lot of the people that I've met in this community. So I just feel I have such a friendship with them, and a lot of them I haven't even met in person. You know, a couple I have, but many of them I have not, and a lot of them live all over the world. So I put together this little friendship kit thinking of all the wonderful people that I've met as I've been doing junk journaling and bookmaking and digital creating. So here is the kit. So first, there are some collage pages, and I just basically put them together with some different things in there. You'll see that the kit kind of has a purple, green, and yellow sort of color theme to it. So, and I found some fun advertisements here that I thought would go with this kit. And these are some wallpaper samples that I thought would be fun there. And then this is the next one here. And I loved having some handwriting. I have some more wallpaper. And I just loved this little picture here. It's an engraving company advertisement there. A letter. I always think that's fun. Friends writing letters to each other. Cameras. You know, we as friends like to take pictures of each other too. And then this paper here, this one has some lace on there, some lace detail on here, some more handwriting, and then some little book pages that talk about friendship on there too. So I thought that'd be a fun journal page to put in there. And then this one is a neat end paper and a beautiful rose, and then a lovely picture of two women sitting together who I imagine are friends. And then this is the last collage page, some more handwriting here. I loved this little picture of a bunch of ladies sitting together, maybe having, you know, their own little girls' weekend or something. So I thought that was fun. And then some tea. I love having tea with friends. And this little purple flower too. So that's the last collage page, or, you know, junk journal page. They could be either one. And then the rest is just a selection of different ephemera. So I found some different pictures that I wanted to include here. Some women here that I would see as friends. Looks like they could possibly be mother and daughter, but they could also be friends. So. And these two girls here dancing, I thought that was fun. And then some more flowers. I think these would make great journal cards. And then this one here, this is a larger picture of those group of girls that we saw on the collage page. And then I just added some different ephemera with some flowers on there to kind of match the color scheme that I was working with. And then I wanted to do some book covers because there were some really fun book covers on friendship. So this one's The Gift of Friendship, and you can see the two people there, The Flower of Friendship, The Friendship of Art, and The Book of Friendship. So I thought those book covers were fun. And a couple more here. This is a music page, music title page. I kind of love those. And then some flowers. I have a teacup on this piece of ephemera, and then some yellow flowers that I saw that I thought were nice. And then this one has another book cover, so Friendship and Happiness. And then I did a library card here. And then I found some of these in a book that were some women walking together, and I thought they looked like good friends. And then these more pictures of what I think are probably friends. So this is this is the same picture that was on one of the collage pages. And then I have this lovely picture of these ladies sort of all laughing at each other and looking. I loved that one just because in old pictures you don't often see sort of you know, fun happening in pictures. They want you to be still and kind of look serious and that kind of thing, you know, more like this one or something like that. But all of these could be friends, and I like this one too. So there's another group of friends here, and some of these are, as you can see, on cabinet cards, which I love to do. And then a couple more. This one, I think this was an old menu cover that I found, And then a couple more. This is a friendship poem that I included in here. And then this was in a book called The Flower Fairies, or a story called The Flower Fairies. So they are, you know, two possibly fairies, but fairies can be friends just like we can, right? Okay, the last 3 pages then have a bunch of these little quote cards. So I have digitally colored them to match the colors of the kit, but there are 18 of these little cards that have quotes on them about friendship. So like this one down here in the corner says, "Go often to the house of thy friend, for weeds choke up the unused path." So there's a bunch of, you know, different quotes in here that I thought would be fun to put into a journal there. And then of course I have a little medallion here with this pretty lady in there. And so here is another one. You can see they have all different fonts and different decorations around them, which is why I kind of loved it. So this is the next one there. I also did like a little fussy cut of that flower that we've seen a couple times in other pages. And then the last page here, this is another little medallion with another pretty lady in there. And then the last 6 cards that have friendship quotes in them. All right, there it is, friends, my new friendship kit. I will link it down below, or you can click on the link up here in the corner to go and check it out in my Etsy shop. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.